members of the media, good afternoon and thank you for being here today. Cabinet, on the recommendation of the National Emergency Committee, has agreed to extend the state of natural disaster for an additional 30 days nationwide, effective from 21st March 2016. This decision will allow officials to continue to provide relief and rehabilitation support in affected areas. This includes areas where basic services and facilities are limited, including water, housing, electricity, etc. The extension will allow the continuous deployment of state resources and personnel for relief operations. In light of this, all government or state personnel deployed during this period should have adequate rest. Divisional commissioners will ensure that this will not affect the operations and disrupt services. The extension period will also allow health authorities to make provisions against any possible disease outbreak, especially in severely affected areas. It will also allow disaster officials to fully utilize available foreign services and expertise in relief and recovery support. This extension allows disaster officials to coordinate closely with disciplined forces to ensure the peace and security of all Fijians. This extension will be in effect till the 19th of April 2016. Thank you and vinaka. Thank you.